So I've got here a flying Yankee Streamline train. A little cool little wind-up toy train. Put this here. It's a really cool little wind-up toy train. So I don't know if this is the key that it comes with. I don't know if all the little trains do the same thing, but this one tends to go in a circle. So if you wind it up and use it in a large room, it's great because it'll actually go almost full circle and come back to you. But if you go down a hallway, it'll bounce off the walls. It'll continue going. It'll just bounce off the walls. Luckily, because it's rounded, it'll actually bounce off the walls and keep going. But if you have something in the way, like furniture, it might get stuck. Let's go and run this little train. Let's see if I can avoid destroying anything up here. Let me wind it some more so it's got some power. There we go. It's going to run pretty hard. Doesn't run as good on this slick surface. It actually runs really well in Kyle. So that's the Flying Yankee Streamline toy train.